Hello. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of investing and personal finance, including why it's important, how to get started, and what you need to know to be successful. Investing is largely seen as a cornerstone of personal finance. It is the process of allocating your hard-earned money in various financial assets with the goal of growing your wealth over time. By investing, you can secure your financial future and achieve long-term financial goals, such as retirement, purchasing a home, or starting a business. In this case, the earlier you start, the better. Getting started with investing is easier than you might think. Here are 5 steps to get you started. 1. Define your financial goals. It's important to clearly define what you want to achieve with your investments so that you clearly understand your commitment to its long-term application. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or maybe just a rainy day fund? When it comes to big goals, it's important to look for small, consistent actions that you can take to maximize your efficiency in achieving them. 2. Assess your risk tolerance. How much risk are you comfortable taking on? Your risk tolerance will play a significant role in determining the type of investments you should make. 3. Develop a diversified investment portfolio. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps reduce the risk of your investments and ensures a well-rounded portfolio. 4. Do your research. Research different investments and understand their benefits and risks. We will be providing more information on this in future videos, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to continue receiving more content like this, and turn on that notification bell if you don't want to miss any of our new releases. 5. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to get started with investing. You can start with small amounts and gradually increase your investment over time, as compound interest does its work, giving you more time to crush your goals. To be successful with investing and personal finance, there are a few key things you need to know. The time value of money. Money has a time value, and the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has for growth. This likewise can be applied to any area of your life that you wish to develop. The power of compound interest. Compound interest is the interest earned on the principal investment, as well as the interest earned on all the interest gained through previous interest cycles. It's an exceptionally powerful tool for growing your wealth over time. The importance of discipline and patience. Investing is a long-term strategy that requires discipline and patience. You'll want to avoid making emotional decisions and stick to your investment plan. This is one of the most difficult pieces to get right, especially with modern technology, but with time, you will find it like a muscle and be happy with committing to its dedicated use. The role of professional financial advice. A financial advisor can help you develop a personalized investment plan and provide you with expert advice and guidance. I always advise to shop around and ask for the last few years of a company's performance record on any of their recommended products before deciding such a crucial decision as this. To conclude, investing and personal finance are essential for securing your financial future and achieving your long-term financial goals. By following these simple steps, you can get started with investing and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has provided valuable insights into investing and personal finance. Give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.